For more than 40 years, Marx Medical Equipment has made it our mission to help anyone in our community living with mobility issues. We provide home medical equipment such as stair lifts and portable ramps, scooters and wheelchairs, medication dispensers, and emergency medical alerts. We also carry medical supplies, from diabetic shoes, socks, slippers, and compression stockings to knee and back braces, as well as Medicaid-covered incontinence products such as adult diapers, pull-ons, underpads, and liners. Marx Medical possesses a large fleet of wheelchairs, scooters, hospital beds, and many more kinds of mobility equipment that is available for rent. We offer free delivery and pickup for clients within 10 miles of our Philadelphia location. But our mission goes beyond supplying products. Our goal is to help guide our clients through the process of regaining and maintaining their independence, whether that is through the process of identifying the right equipment or navigating through the reimbursement systems like Medicaid, Medicare, and private insurance. We are experts in the requirements of state agencies that authorize your purchases. We are happy to do legwork on our customers' behalf to make sure their important purchases are approved. Our commitment to service extends further than the delivery of your product to your home. At your request, our delivery technicians will set up your new product and demonstrate its key features, making sure you are completely comfortable with your new equipment before they leave. Part of our low-cost equipment evaluation includes repairs that our technicians can perform on site in cases where no new parts are required. The Marx team is certified to repair scooters, wheelchairs, power chairs, and lifts, as well as hospital beds and oxygen concentrators. When you work with Marx Medical, you are working with a partner with years of experience in medical supplies and equipment and compassion for the people who need that equipment. Our products allow people to live independently with comfort and dignity, and that's a service we are honored to provide.